fuck is warm, brah? Might be rough, but fuck, I'm expensive.
Don't know what we're doing, but fuck, better than what it was.
Absolutely.
Got their toe clean, P.
Toe job, brah.
What of a toey?
Get toe with me, boy. So are you gonna weld one of these under here?
Nah,
On top?
nah, just straight onto that. This thing. The only thing this needs to hold is the gas tank. That's. Oh, here, I'll show you this video for you more.
What? A Panhard? What's that?
That fucking rock that's broken.
Oh. That was shit, really?
No, it'll be forward.
Hey.
Behind.
Oh, behind it?
No, this way. Quite a bit further. No, this way. Look at the angle of that. No. Yeah.
You're meant to be, yeah.
It was probably about this thickness. And if you put this on there, this on flush on there, that will give you the pretty much spacing. A roundabout. You mean if I had the one. So we just make up this bracket. Make it out of this shit. Already done that up. It's not pretty, but it's solid.
Beautiful, man.
Not fucking beautiful, actually.
Maybe chuck some fucking tackies in there.
Yeah, that's the tahi.
So strong to be.
Oh! come on this way. Yep, made this bracket up from this pan rod. Pretty solid. Shed all over this. But it'll do. Kieran is making up some caps for the end. So, got it all done. Welded these plates on. And to go weld this one on, but we fucking run out of gas. And it's the weekend, can't get any more gas. So, onto the exhaust. Shoot it out the side out there. Got this one, just cut this flange off this end. Reuse it on this end. Tack her onto there. Then exhaust out there. Yeah, somehow. But yeah, what's Kieran doing? Just doing our tube for our front bash bar. That's all we can do really without no gas. Hatchet. Pick us up a gasket out of stainless. No. Got a new clutch with a VL 150. Nice, new studs, new release bearing. This one you couldn't even hit third because it was just ride, but nah, whack this in with that mighty 20E in there. I'd have to turbo it. Whack all these bolts off. Hey, perfect. Huh? Nice, Ali.
Cool.
I just stand behind you with the feather while you're trying to do it. Was it made that was handled that red on that angle? That little thing.
Laughing, right? Good cut.
Oh, it's still not made that angle.
No.
Oh, most has got some, but there you go. Proper.
Oh, that one.
Oh, yeah.
Can you drill the hole for my left one? Yeah. I'll put it on, but can you drill? Oh, this gasket middle now, wasn't I see? Somebody made one up.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
No. It's a good tool, eh? So amazing.
Nein, das ist was.
Or just that.
Yeah.
Sorry for your video, I did the edit thing. I'm gonna do that one day. Just for a laugh of me. What the fuck?
You know what you need it for? Bag of sawdust.
Yeah.
So like that. Tuck it on and line it up with. So putting it back in.
Nah, so that's what you're telling me.
Oh,
Extra.
sturdy.
How come she's not level?
She fucking chases around here.
Oh, she means it doesn't go. Yeah, nah, she doesn't like other dogs. Oh. Like even mum's dog, the Frenchie, she hates that fucking thing.
Oh, told me that.
Yeah, ever since
Oh,
it
it's not for a Frenchie.
yeah. Even when it was puppy.
Assess out there, look.
Yeah. Like a dying squirrel.
Yeah.
Big father Pete. Fucking pulled all the bum hole well. One of my favourite tunes till great. Nah. I don't know what new was that. Yeah, fuck yeah. Ready, girl? Ouch! Wow. You right? Scrape it off and then agree with. Yeah.
Yeah.
Little blast steam cleaner.
Got her out. Probably give it a bit of a clean up. Yeah, whip this out like the new one, man. There it goes. Couldn't hold through. That's why.
What the fuck?
She's fucked.
She's fucked.
Ooh, new clutch.
It's just all that bloody new system here, Panhard. More reliable, more power.
See how long it'll last.
There you go. What's that? We're lucky.
Rusty. So we got the clutch all in. Let's put this fucking gear stick back in. Zink.
So,
Yo.
you got enough fucking fuel, eh? Some little bursts anyway, eh?
Really little bass.
Like this.
Just like that.
Maybe quarter of a meter.
I don't think we got any spare at the moment. Just what's on there.
No. Oh, you can bend this around a bit better anyway, eh?
Yeah, yeah.
Be good.
Oh, got a bit ahead of ourselves, forgot the video, but fucking got the exhaust on. Bit of a side exit. Moors.
Yeah, puck, 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 puck. Yeah.
So here's some more bolts. Maybe do some supports to here.